Well, guys, this is what the outside of our apartment looks like. It's flooded. It was because of Tropical Depression Bud. We live in Edinburgh, Texas, and this is what it looks like, guys. We have our drains, of course, but the canal that it goes to is completely flooded. Look at that car. It's up halfway to the tires. Halfway. Look at that. Look at our grass. Look. We're supposed to have sidewalk there, and we don't have nothing. Look at our grass. And our dog, who loves to swim in canals, didn't even want to swim in there. Please pray for us. And look at that water. It's like flooded. Guys, the cars just come, and there's water inside the cars. We parked our car in the back, but guys, the sky's coming to come out. The sky is starting to come out, and it kind of doesn't look that bad anymore. Doesn't look as bad as I thought it would. It is stopping. I'm grateful that it stopped raining. I'm really glad that it stopped raining. There's no more rain in the forecast, so I'm hoping that later today or early morning tomorrow, the water will go down. Right now, the time is actually 2:19. And yeah, so keep us in your prayers. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.